Hi everyone, Kim here for Tres Jolie Kit Club. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, Tres Jolie is a monthly kit club. We provide 3 kits, a scrapbook kit, a card kit, and a mixed media kit. You can subscribe to 1 kit, all 3 kits, or any combination. They can be found on our website at www.tresjoliekits.com. And if you're seeing this video, then that means our June kits have released, because this is our June kit release video where we take you through everything in all our kits. So if you want to see what we got in our kits, let's go. First up, we have our scrapbook kit. It retails for $52. That includes your shipping, and that's US shipping only. If you are international and would like to buy something from us, just email us and we can give you a shipping quote. So with that being said, let's get into the kits. And if you don't know, we also cut our own laser cut chipboard in-house. So we've got these feathers, and they are new to the kit. They will be up on the website later. We've also got this background piece. This is on the website, so you can go ahead and check that out over there. Next up, we've got some flowers, and our first pack is from Little Birdie, and these are the flowers. And our second pack is from Little Birdie, and these are the flowers. So hopefully these colors have been give you an indication of what's in our kit. We've also got this pack of ephemera. There are 69 pieces in here, and this is from 49 in Market, and it's their Plume and Petal line. So you get all these pieces here in this, and it coordinates with our paper, which is actually the Plume and Petal collection from 49 in Market. And you're going to get 8 double-sided sheets of paper in here. And then they also do a bonus sheet on the back of this front sheet. So don't toss that out, because let's get into it. So we've got the Plume and Petal, and there's your bonus sheet. And let's go through these papers. They are so pretty, and the colors are really nice. So you've got some purples and some blues, some browns, some natural colors, some neutral colors. But this paper is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at how pretty the graphics and the details. Just so pretty. And the back of this paper with the back sides like this can be used for masculine or feminine layouts. Alrighty, let's keep going here. But just love this paper. So nice. How about some beautiful prom pictures you can go use with this, or even graduation pictures? It's really nice. It could also be used for Father's Day, because again, you've got some very masculine colors in here. And then you've got this cut apart sheet. I like these sheets because you can use these for journaling. You can use them to layer behind your pictures. And here's the back side of it. So this has been everything in our scrapbook kit. And like I said, you can find it on the website at www.tresjoliekits.com. It is limited in supply, and to make sure that you never miss out on a kit, you can always just go ahead over there and subscribe. And speaking of subscribing, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and turn that notification bell on to all. That way you'll be notified every time we upload a video, because we do videos showcasing all of our kits. Next up, we're going to have our cards, tags, and more kit. So now we have our cards, tags, and more kit. If you don't know, it's just what it is. It's a card kit or a tag kit or more. It's our smaller project kit is what we like to call it. So you could get things for cards, for tags, for ATC cards, mini albums, anything. That's the more part of it. This kit retails for $42. And yes, again, it is available on the website, www.tresjoliekits.com, and it is limited in supply too. So let's get into what's in this kit. First off, another pack of flowers, because we do like the shabby chic cards over here, so we're always adding flowers. Next, you're going to get a cutting die. You can use this to, there it is, it's hearts and leaves. So you can use that to cut out some leaves to go with that. You're also going to get this folding card stencil. It's a template to make a decorative card. You're also going to get a bunch of these blue tickets to use as embellishments as well. And then what else you're going to get is, I found these. These are archival quality resealable clear envelopes that you can use for your cards. You cannot mail these, but if you're giving someone a card in person and if your card is too bulky to fit into a regular envelope, you can use these. Okay, so yeah, you're going to get 3 of each size. So the first size holds A2 cards. So 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 cards it will hold, or smaller. The second set is the A7 type, so it'll hold 5 by 7 cards. This is 5 1/4 by 7 1/4. The next set is, it'll hold 5 by 5 cards. So it's 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. And then the last set is for 6 by 6 cards. It holds 6 3/8. The envelope is 6 3/8 by 6 1/4. So you're going to get those. And you're also going to get some smooth cardstock. This is Coordinations, and the color is boysenberry. You're going to get 5 sheets of those. And then the paper for the kit is this Paper Roses Botanical Blooms, and it's 12 by 12. And you're going to get 12 sheets actually of this. So it's actually 6 designs, but you're going to get 2 of each. And then you're going to have on the back sheet, you're going to have all these cutouts for cards. It's your birthday, best wishes, all of those that you can use for cards. But look at this pretty, pretty, pretty paper for spring and summer. These would make really nice graduation cards, birthday cards. The colors are just so, so pretty. Just look at that. And you get 2 of each, so if you want to do cards with the first set of 6, you can do that, and then maybe a mini album or something like that for the second set of 6. But yeah, that's your first set of 6, and this is your second set. So you got 12 sheets in here. And this has been everything for our cards, tags, and more kit. And again, this kit retails for $42. And it is available on our website at www.tresjoliekit.com. Next up, we are going to have our mixed media kit. We'll be right back. So our mixed media kit, this retails for $47. And again, the website, www.tresjoliekits.com. And if you don't know about our mixed media kit, it's for you to try out mediums. We do smaller sizes, but it also comes with a small project. So it is a standalone kit. You can go in and pull this kit out and start working on it right away. But we also do demos with our mixed media kit. So again, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Turn your notification bell on to all. You'll be notified every time we upload a video. So let's get into what's our mediums first. First up, we've got some new Solar Paste. This is by Simon Hurley for Ranger, and we've got it in the color Royal Flush. and we've got it in the color Deep In, and these colors do coordinate with our other kits. And if you've never used the solar paste before, it's really fun. It's a creamy white paste with metallic color, but the color changes depending on what color your background is. So if your background is black, you're going to get a different color than if your background is white. We have also got some dye ink. This is also from Simon Hurley, and this is in the shade Breakup Blue. It's a nice pretty sky blue. And for your little project to start off, you're going to get one of our laser cut chipboard frames. You're also going to get this stencil because your solar paste can be used in stencils. Again, we'll demo all this. And you're also going to get a canvas so you can create a fun little project on this canvas using your mediums to try them out to see how you like them. And this kit helps you build up your medium stash, and you get to try different stuff with this kit. So you can subscribe to this kit, all 3 kits, or any combination of kits. Just check it all out on the website at www.tresjoliekits.com. And this has been Kim for Tres Jolie. This has been our June kit reveals. Let us know down in the comments which kit is your favorite. But we'll see you on our next video. So thanks for stopping by. Bye.